Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful, fun-filled episode. I gotta stop that shit because my episodes are not really that great. They even put me to sleep, to be honest. So where the hell are we? I have no idea. We are on Pennsylvania Turnpike, 76, heading west. We are traveling to basically the western edge, the western side of Pennsylvania, almost into Ohio. It's a 6-hour ride from my house. Why am I doing this? Because we are going to pick up something for the Corvette, and I am so damn pumped and so damn psyched for this. Because we I really needed this. And the Corvette really needs this. This is the final piece to the puzzle. I don't want to give it away just yet, but I'll check back in later and maybe I'll show you guys what I'm getting. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost there. What a beautiful drive here. Spectacular. Going home is going to be horrific because I'm going to have to cut through.
To stay on Quarry Road.
I'm going to have to cut through New York City to get home. It'll be traffic time.
You on Quarry Road for half a mile.
Alright, so we're on our way home. I picked up the item. But check this out. Never seen anything like this. Driving through the mountains, literally through. This is called Tuscarora Mountain. Here we go. Okay, so I just made it through that mountain. So I picked up what I came here for on our way home. And even though it's Sunday and it's only, 1:45 here in Pennsylvania, there's already tons of traffic in New York. So it's going to be a long-ass ride home because unfortunately I have to cut through New York City. And New York City, even on a Sunday, is jammed with traffic. So, I'll be back. Alright, guys. So, I picked up what I needed. I don't know if you guys can hear it back there, but that fucking thing is bouncing. Oh! Just a little teaser. Alright, we'll be back. Oh gosh. 7:20 p.m. Stuck in New Jersey. Horrific traffic. Oh, this is just the beginning of the traffic. The real traffic is in New York City. Trying to cross the Bronx. They have a 32 goddamn minute delay just on the Cross Bronx Expressway. 32-minute delay. Alright. I'll be back. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the George Washington Bridge, going from New Jersey into the Bronx. It's almost 8 p.m. Oh my God. So much traffic the whole way home. It's going to take like 9.5, 10 hours to get home. No, like 9.5 hours. I'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So, it's actually like 3 months later. It's like 2 days before Christmas. And this is what we went to the western edge of Pennsylvania for. We've got a 18-foot steel deck trailer. And nothing fancy. Just your basic trailer. But I really needed this. And I'm getting ready to cover it. Just trying to cover the corners here. They're very sharp. If I put a tarp over without putting a buffer there, those sharp corners will just tear through the cover. And I got a really nice heavy-duty tarp that was $110. So I don't want to destroy it. So I'm storing it here at a friend's property. Pretty heavily wooded. Just worried about some of these branches falling and ripping the damn cover. Oh well. It looks a little dirty, a little sad right now. Haven't had a chance to clean it. It's been raining and snowing on and off here. So let's just take a look. We've got so we got the two steel ramps. I think they're like 5 feet long. They pull out, slide in. Got LED lights. I bought a spare tire and a mount. No issues with the trailer. She also has electric brakes on all 4 wheels. So that was one selling point for me. Most of the trailers I was looking at only had brakes on 2 of the wheels. So there she is. Now we can attend all these roll racing events at Pocono Raceway, and we can make it to some of those drag strips down in New Jersey. So, wish me luck. I'm going to cover it. Hopefully it comes out looking good when we uncover it in the spring. Hope no rodents around here eat electrical wires. This is pretty heavily wooded here. Those little bastards have probably been climbing all over this. Alright, so that's it. There she is. It's a 2020 Econo trailer. Really nice, folks. Old school mom and pop ranch business. So check them out. Econo trailer. 1600 Locust Hollow Road, Claysburg, Pennsylvania. That's their phone number and their website. I think I paid, if I remember correctly, just about $2,600. And trust me, you could not find a trailer any cheaper on the Northeast. This trailer here in New York, without even blinking an eye, $4,500 in New York to maybe $5,500. I was considering buying a wooden deck trailer. It was 16 foot, it was brand new, and it was $4,700 from Long Island. But then luckily I came across this, so I made the trip all the way out there to save a few $1,000s. It was worth it. Alright guys, that's it. We'll see this thing back in the spring. Over and out.